Do students have a preference for class time? We are going to do chi-square goodness of fit. This is a situation. There are 180 students. We are going to have this data set. We are going to divide 180 by 3. So it's going to be 60. And now we got expected value. From the expected value, we can find out the statistical value. That means we can apply this particular formula, observed value minus the expected value, whole the power, raise the power 2, and divided by again expected value. So, and then we can drag this up. So from this given data, we calculated this one. And there are two methods. One method is that we can directly find out this way, chi-square test and actual value. This is the actual value, that is observed value, comma, expected value. So it is rejecting the null hypothesis because it is less than 5%. So similarly, we can also find another way, statistical test. For example, this particular one, we can sum this up and apply that in the formula. How we can do? Chi-square distribution, right tail, x is this value, degree of freedom 3 minus 1 is 2. That's it. I hope you find it useful.